Hi kids, I'm Leo the Learning Lion. Let's learn, laugh and play. Brewer, it's Leo. And today, it's an animal race party. Let's count, jump and race to the finish line. Are you ready? Let's go. Look, all the animals are ready at the starting line. Who's that big and strong? It's Ellie the Elephant. Ellie is wearing red, just like a fire truck. Say it with me. R-E-D, red. Here comes Monty the Monkey, he's wearing yellow like the sun. Monty's ready to bounce and flip. Zoom. Who's racing down the track? It's Bonnie the bunny. Bonnie's wearing pink, just like strawberry ice cream. Can you say the color with me? P-I-N-K. Pink. Wow, Bonnie surprised everyone. Are you ready to learn the next color? Ready, set, go. Here they go, ready to zoom across the track. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3. Who's racing the fastest? Wow, that was fast. Who's in the lead? Let's keep counting as they zoom ahead. 4, 5, 6. Look at the cheater go. 7, 8, 9. And the turtle's catching up with steady steps. 10. They made it. Hooray! Give them a big cheer. Let's test your color skills. What color is Ellie's shirt? Is it red or blue? Yes, red. What color was Monty's hat? Yellow or green? Correct again. You're a color genius. Great job, racers. Let's high five Leo for learning so well today. We learned red like the elephant's shirt, yellow like the monkey's hat, and we counted from 1 to 10. Thank you for racing with us. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join Leo tomorrow for a new adventure. Bye kids, Brewer.